Hey, everyone. The page I will be analyzing is called Millionaire Steps. The page was started in 2020, and guess what? It made more than $500,000 without spending any money, just time. And guess what's even cooler? The person who owns it doesn't even have to show their face. So, what exactly are Instagram theme pages? Instagram theme pages are like those cool user accounts that focus on a specific niche or topic. These accounts aren't just posting random stuff on their feed, they're carefully selecting and sharing content that revolves around their chosen theme. It's all about keeping things consistent. Why, you ask? Well, the whole idea of a theme page is to create a feed that's not only visually stunning but also attracts a particular audience interested in that niche. For example, think of an Instagram theme page all about travel. You can expect to see breathtaking travel pictures, awesome destination recommendations, useful travel tips, and quotes that might make you want to pack your bags ASAP. Now, let's switch gears. Picture a fashion-focused account. This one is providing outfit inspiration, sharing styling tips, and staying on top of all the latest fashion trends. It's like a carefully curated style adventure right on your feed. But now the question is, how do you start and grow a successful theme page on Instagram? And how do you monetize it effectively? In this video, I will provide a comprehensive guide on how to do just that. I will cover how to choose a profitable niche for Instagram theme pages, how to create visually consistent and attractive branding for your theme page, how to engage with your followers and grow your Instagram theme page organically, how to monetize your theme page using different strategies. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to start and grow an Instagram theme page business. Alright, let's break it down. When you want to make a cool Instagram page that lots of people love, you've got to start by checking out what topics are really popular. This helps you know what people like and talk about on Instagram. You can look into different categories like travel, fashion, fitness, food, and more. Do some good research to find out what kinds of posts get lots of likes and comments. But here's the fun part. While you're looking at what's popular, think about what you really love and know a lot about. Pick a theme that makes you super excited. When you choose something you're genuinely interested in, it helps you make awesome and real content that stands out. Alright, let's dive into the next step of making your Instagram theme page super cool. It's all about making it look great and consistent. This means picking a username, profile picture, bio, and colors that match what your page is all about and the people you want to reach. Your branding is like the first hello for your Instagram page, so you want it to be catchy, easy to remember, and something that people like looking at. Here are some tips to make your theme page look really good. Cool username. Choose a name that fits your theme, is easy to spell, and easy to remember. You can use cool words, short phrases, or even a fun rhyme. Awesome profile picture. Your profile picture should show off what your theme is about, and it should be clear and high quality. You can use a logo, a picture, or something related to your theme. Engaging bio. Write a bio that's short, informative, and interesting. You can use emojis, hashtags, and keywords to make it more appealing. Tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. Color it up. Choose colors that go well together and match your theme. You can use tools like Coolors or Adobe Color to find colors that work. Also, use filters or presets to edit your photos and videos so they all look awesome together. When your theme page looks consistent and attractive, it helps people know who you are and what you're all about. It also makes them more likely to follow you because they like your style and message. Creating an engaging and thriving Instagram theme page involves several key strategies that can enhance interaction with your followers and foster organic growth. One effective approach is to conclude your captions with calls to action, CTAs, or thought-provoking questions, encouraging followers to interact with your posts. Another crucial aspect is generating content that resonates and is worth saving. Providing valuable tips, tricks, or interesting facts related to your theme encourages followers to save the content for future reference. Active engagement with your followers through comments and direct messages reinforces the sense of community. Responding to comments, liking posts, or asking questions via Instagram stories demonstrates appreciation for their support. By implementing these strategies, you not only strengthen connections with existing followers, but also attract new ones interested in your theme page. Ultimately, the key is to continue enjoying the process and creating content that resonates with your audience. Monetization strategies for Instagram theme pages. When lots of people like your Instagram page, some companies might ask you to post about their stuff. But you don't have to just wait. You can be proactive by looking for companies that fit well with what you post about. Find ones that care about the same things, and sell stuff that your followers might like. When you start working with companies and making posts for them, it's important to talk about money and the rules. Make sure you agree on a fair amount of money and understand what you can and can't do. Think about how much time and effort it will take to make the post. Lots of people make money on Instagram by promoting products from other companies. First, find programs and products that fit well with what you post about. Choose ones that pay you a fair amount and have good stuff to offer. To get your followers to buy the products, use strong messages that tell them what to do. For example, ask them to use a special link or code when they make a purchase. This helps you earn money, and the companies can keep track of how many people bought stuff through your posts. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.